this morning when I was listening to my sister, she said a lot of things. And one thing that clicked my mind was that I think what His Excellency John Mahama was talking about, that when they win power, they should give them a honeymoon. I think they are in the honeymoon season. The reason why I'm saying this is that even though they have refused to call for a state of emergency, everybody knows that Ghana is in a state of emergency. You look at our security, the security of the nation, and you can tell that we are not at a good place. Anybody who will say that Ghana is peaceful, that person is kidding himself or herself. Just this morning, I read a news item where they reported that fresh clashes are ongoing at Bingiri, where people are still losing their lives. It's a joy news news item, so maybe if you want, you can refer to it.
Bingiri.
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 Yes. The place where people have been displaced so
Is
far.
it where some of them fled to
yes,
Ivory Coast?
Where over 42,000 people have been displaced, with the national security confirming that they have more than 10,000 people currently residing at Ivory Coast. This calls for immediate action. And it's like everybody is behaving like everything is okay and we are all doing our normal things. Everything is not okay. I have a picture here of a woman. In fact, when I saw the picture, I just didn't feel good. This is the picture of a woman who is being displaced. She's one of the people that have been displaced in this whole confusion.
Can you send that picture to me?
And this woman, I heard her children are currently not with her and she's looking for her kids.
Then you didn't watch the news yesterday. The family has been reunited.
Okay. The same woman, do you know the woman she's talking about?
Because
okay. Just send to me. I want to send to the
She has been on TV3 last night. The family has been reunited.
Okay. So this is news to me, but this is just one person who has been reunited with the family. But we are told that the statistics is scary.
Okay, so on your screen is the video of some of the people relocating. Okay, this is some support being given them.
Yes, this is the support. And
okay, but is government doing something about it?
It's not enough.
What exactly do you expect?
So far, we are hearing that there are over 502 chieftaincy disputes in Ghana. 502. And people are speaking up that, look, the government of Ghana must put its feet on the ground. Everything is not okay in Ghana. Let's not kid ourselves. I am also adding my voice so that we pay close attention to this thing that is happening. I have started hearing some people giving prophecies that there may be a civil war in Ghana. Nobody is praying for that. No, listen.
Hold on. I think let's be serious.
We are serious.
No. Hold on.
If we have over 502 chieftaincy crises in Ghana,
we have a
that's
nation.
Happened in
No,
Shamima,
right? Shamima, allow me, please. We have a nation to build.
That is what I'm saying.
Hold on, we have a nation to build. Let's not play into this gallery, please.
That is why I am alerting.
Samita, are you calling for a civil war in Ghana?
I am not.
Is that the agenda of the NPP?
Please, can you let me have my time? No. You see, that's why I'm saying that it appears the government of the day is not picking information. And I am bringing it to your attention in case you have not picked it.
The information,
this information that I said, from where? This is a news item.
You're giving me information from prophets?
Yes, that is what she said.
I'm just saying that
the prophet said
I told you that they have reported that over 502 chieftaincy disputes are happening currently in Ghana.
But they are not new.
They are not.
Yes. So what are you
and
talking
I'm
about?
telling you that these are some of the things people are saying. And so the government needs to put its feet down. I don't know whether you are aware of what happened in Tontokrom. You saw what happened. You saw it.
The Galamsey boys.
The Galamsey boys. You saw the way they were standing and, you know, I don't know whether they were trying to tempt the military to see what they can do.
No, they were preventing the military from taking over the mining sites.
Sure. The military say they did not exercise restraint. We would have been talking about people dying like what happened in Obuasi. You remember the Obuasi case?
Are these problems, like, I don't know, are they new?
They are not new.
So what are you talking
But
about?
we are saying that it is even affecting our global peace index. It is affecting it. And so we are only raising eyebrows and also speaking so that people who are in power will listen and put their feet on the ground and, you know, stop this thing from generating or escalating. That is what we are talking about. Nobody is praying for war. Because listen, we the women and the children will be the worst affected in all this. And so if I speak about it, I speak about it because I am a mother who has children. And honestly speaking, I don't know how to protect myself, let alone to protect my children. And if there is any form of unrest, I know I'll be one of the people that will be worst affected. And so if I have the opportunity to come and speak for government to listen, I think I will use that opportunity. And I'm speaking so that government will listen and do something about it. This is my stand on all these things that I'm talking about. As we are speaking, we are also talking about the fact that we have health crisis happening in Ghana. I talked about the typhoid issue in Oti region, but now it has escalated to the Bono region. That is what is happening right now. And when we raise eyebrows, it's not like we don't like the government and we are wishing for the worst to happen. No. We are speaking early enough for them to be able to do what? To solve it. As the saying goes, a stitch in time. Yes. And so if we are drawing your attention, please don't say we are wishing you bad. That is not our plan. Nobody wants that. So right now that it has gone to Oti region, and we are also talking about Mpox. People should be very careful with Mpox because it is one of the viral diseases that can easily, you can easily contract it without knowing. So people should just be very aware of some of these things that are happening. And let's be one another's keepers, you understand? Let's watch and look out for one another. See something, say something. We don't want to become like the monkey that will say, I see nothing, I hear nothing, and I will speak about nothing. Some of us have decided that we wouldn't be monkeys. We're going to talk to issues. We're going to make sure that things that are not making the headlines, we bring it out for us to speak about them. These are things that affect us. We are talking about carnage on our roads. Just this July, from January to July, we are talking about a statistics of 7,289 accidents, with over 1,500 people perishing just from January to
In fact,
July.
the statistics, comparing it to the base year last year, the numbers have shot up when it comes to road carnage.
5% increase. It's scary. That is why I'm saying that we are only, drawing the attention of the government. Probably if they are in their honeymoon season, please, the country needs their attention. We are not going to wait until it is time for elections, then we come and do propaganda. No, we will always sound the drums of being cautious so that it doesn't go out of hands. So that we are able to stem it, very quickly. And look, our youth are gradually sinking into the drug,
menace.
Yes, it is sad. The statistics are very scary.
For my lifetime, man, put that say, Ghana for aye refugees other country. Yene habo nkofo ya habo Liberia for so many good years. But today, Ghanaians, omufi President John Dramani Mahama kromo, only kromo. And just say, omufi baby fufro, and it will be like say, yeah, omufi in change, I want to make you. These people are from his hometown and nearby villages. They are now refugees in Cote d'Ivoire. But this president is not thinking about all this thing. The say or the opponent. This is the only thing this man is thinking about. How to like disturb his opponent. And that is the dreams is here. A brand the chrome for the chrome for a good baby obi maisu. A go on janon baby. But this president take Kathy has a home call Palestine say they are donating for those people, but you couldn't do it in your house. Eddie.